start with Alemana from open position. So lady does backward walk, replace, forward walk, and now she is in closed position to man. Let's do again. Lady start with right foot back, replace, forward. Now lady will turn with 3 forward walks. First forward walk is delayed forward walk, then you see brushing the feet. Second is forward, then swivel, and third forward walk. And now we are in closed position. Let's look again how lady turns. She starts with left foot across body without weight, then transfers weight and turns, brushes feet. Now forward walk, then swivel and forward walk towards partner. Now man steps. Man starts with left foot, check forward walk, replace, then close feet, and simplest version is with right foot back, then replace and forward walk. But we will do slightly different version. We will do last part back to side and then forward walk. This gives us more possibility to turn around each other. Let's look again together. We start in open position and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now let's do opening out to right and to left. Lady starts with swivel on left foot, then goes with right foot back, replaces weight, now forward without weight, slightly across body, transfers weight, goes back, then replace weight, forward without weight, slightly across body, and transfer weight and turn. Let's look from opposite direction. So we start from closed position. Lady starts with swivel, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now man steps. Man starts with left foot. He goes to side, replace, close, to side, replace, close, which basically are 2 side cucarachas. And again, we start from closed position and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now let's look at arms. This is arm exercise. We go with arm to side, then bring in and slide circle. Again, to side out, bring in and slide circle. With other hand, we go out, we bring in and slide circle and turn hand. Out, in, slide circle and turn the hand. Now let's look how it works with our steps. Man starts with left arm to side, bring in, then circle, and then places hand around lady, other hand out, in, circle, and hand around lady. Now same principle but for lady's movement. Right arm out, then in, then circle and again out, then turn, and now with left hand movement out, then in, circle, again out, and turn. And place hand on partner's shoulder. And now together. So arms start to move out, then we bring in, circle, again out, and now we turn and change arms. Again, arms goes out, then we bring in, circle, out, and then we turn and closed hold. And now let's do closed hip twist. So lady dances back, replace, then swivel, step forward, delayed walk with bent right knee, transfer weight, swivel. Now 2 walks forward, starting with left foot forward, right foot forward, now turn, and last step is back with turning. And we finish in fan position. Line from lady's legs and between my body is 15 centimeters. Let's do again. This time focus on man's steps. Man starts with left foot back, replace. Now delayed walk back, then transfer weight, and with right foot back, leading lady to fan position, replace weight, and last step is forward walk turning, so I go forward and turn and finish in fan position. And now let's look from opposite direction. We start in close hold, and we do 2, 3, 4, delayed walk 1, then we lead lady to fan 2, 3, and 4, 1, and we finish in fan position. And now let's do hockey stick. We start from fan position, lady closes feet, then forward, forward, places a right hand on left shoulder, she continues forward, forward, now turn, and last step is backward walk. Now let's do again and focus on man's steps. Man starts from fan position with left foot, checked forward walk, replace, close, and he places left hand on lady's left shoulder. Now back, releases hands, replace weight, and connect, and last step forward walk. Let's do again. Let's look at arm movement. We start with extended arms, bring in, slide circle, again extend arms, place left hand on lady's shoulder. Now again we extend arms, now bring in, and again extend arms. And now let's do whole routine in slow motion with teaching count. We start on count 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now let's look at routine to music. hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.